In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero invoice template. Customizing your invoices ensures they reflect your brand's identity and present a professional image to your clients. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, which is both straightforward and effective. First, log into your Xero account using your credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. This will make navigating through the process much smoother. Next, head to the upper left corner of your screen and click on your organization name. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you control various aspects of your Xero account, including invoice customization. Once you're in the Settings section, look under Features and click on Invoice Settings. In some versions of Xero, this might be listed as Quotes and Invoices. This section is the heartbeat of your invoice management, so remember that you can always return here for any adjustments. Next up, you'll see a list of your invoice templates. Identify the template you'd like to customize. Often, this might be named Standard or something similar, depending on what template you've been using. Click on the name of the template to access its customization options. From there, you'll want to click on either Edit or Customize. This will open up the template editor, a powerful tool that allows you to modify your template to better suit your branding needs. Feel free to get creative here. Change the logo, adjust the font style, and experiment with color schemes. Pay special attention to layout options like the positions of totals, addresses, and payment terms. This is also a great opportunity to ensure your branding elements, like color and fonts, are consistent with your other marketing materials. While you're customizing, make sure to update any default text. This could include how you display payment terms or crafting a personal thank you message for your clients. Such custom touches can make a big difference and reinforce your brand's authenticity. Before you finalize everything, click on Preview to check how your changes look in real time. This can help you spot any adjustments that may be needed and ensure the final design is professional and polished. Finally, when you're content with the appearance of your invoice template, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial because you want all your hard work to be preserved and ready for the next time you issue an invoice. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've not only learned how to customize your Xero invoice template, but also enhance the impression your invoices will make on your clients. Why not log into Xero now and start customizing your invoice templates to perfectly represent your business?